What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in today's video we'll be taking a trip down to Starbucks to taste test the 2 new Frappuccino drinks that they have just released, and I'm looking forward to it so much, literally so much. I know it's kind of cringy to say that, but it's the fact that I actually like Starbucks so much, so I have to go try it. And I think this is overdue because I haven't actually posted a Starbucks video in like quite a long time now, so I definitely think it's worth it. So if you did see the Starbucks Frappuccino drink that I did post my second video on this channel, then make sure you hit this like button on today's video and also subscribe to the channel if you're new. And you will probably see that this is going to be a much better version than the previous one because, first of all, I am a little bit more confident, not overconfident still though, but yeah, more confident than last time, and I can actually speak English this time, not like last time. I've lost my card. If I've lost my card and it's somewhere, someone could just buy stuff because I'm not rich, so there's nothing in there. But so yes, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button, and let's just get into today's video because I'm looking forward to it. So let's go. Okay guys, so we arrived here at Starbucks. We're just going to make our way to go inside. So here we are, let's go. Okay guys, so we're here now to try and get the strawberry donut and cookies and cream frappuccino. Looking forward to it quite a bit, so just waiting for someone to come over now and then talk to us about the drink. Hopefully they do it though, because that was one thing I wasn't sure about. So let's wait.
Cookie crumble.
Okay, thank
enjoy.
you.
These are first to me, so enjoy.
Okay, thank you. Okay guys, so I've just ordered the strawberry donut frappuccino and also the cookies and cream frappuccino, and I'm looking forward to them so much. Also, I will be using just one straw for this because, yeah, that last comment down there. Gotta save the planet, even though this is still not even though it's not a reusable straw. I can't speak today. I'm trying to do much better than I did last time, but it's just not going well. But let's just do a smell test first. So this is the, oh my god, that's so amazing. Wow, that is amazing. Oh, I'm looking forward to this one a lot. I'm really worried about this one. With cookies and cream, I do like the ice cream, but this is completely different, so I think I just got done the drink. Yeah, it's actually quite nice. It smells quite nice. I don't know why I'm saying it's nice when I haven't tasted it yet, but let's just go into the taste test because I think I've spoke about it quite a lot now. So here we go. This is the strawberry donut frappuccino. Summer drink 2019. Okay, so this has got like a sickly strawberry taste to it. I do like the fact that it's got lots of cream and strawberry sauce in there, but I feel like the strawberry sauce is not as, like, it doesn't go as well as I thought it was, but maybe it's because it's the first one that he's ever made, the person that made it for me. But okay, so now after tasting it after the second, third time, I actually do have to say I do like this a lot now. I think it is an acquired taste if you do like strawberry or if you don't like strawberry. It's really up to you. But we're going to move on to now the cookies and cream. This is a regular as well. This all came to a total of £7.50, which it's very decent, to be honest, if you haven't had Starbucks drinks for a while. But yeah, this is the cookies and cream taste test. Oh my god, I love this one so much. Actually, this is really difficult. This one just tastes like cookies and cream, like literally what it says, whereas this one is like, it's a bit strange, but it's really nice because it's really strange. It's it's like, it's really difficult how to explain it, but just imagine a strawberry donut. That's basically what it is in liquid form, practically. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with these two drinks. Saving the planet by saving one straw. Actually, I'm really surprised because no one is actually looking at me as much as I thought it was going to happen. Not like the last time when I first did it. But I don't know if that's just because I'm more confident now, like I said previously. But would I recommend these two drinks? I definitely would. I definitely will be buying these more often, especially in the summer, because we all know I'm going to be doing many more vlogs. So I actually will be having these because this is like my new life. I'm actually surprised. This actually beats the cheesecake frappuccino drinks that came out last year. It's that good because the blackberry, I thought it was blueberry frappuccino cheesecake flavor. It wasn't as much as I liked it. It was like a very acquired taste, whereas these two, they've actually nailed it on the spot, like on their head with this. This is amazing. So I definitely would highly recommend it. So if you are in the UK somewhere, or if they do this in another country, definitely go check it out, try it out, because it's like amazing. But I'm gonna sit here, enjoy these two drinks with my friend, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.